Okay guys, I just got out of the shower, and you know when you don't wash your hair for like a couple days, and that may sound gross to you if you are a boy or you just don't understand like hair washing routines, but I wash my hair twice a week max. Like 3 times if it's like, oh, I need to do my hair a certain way for something. But like I wash my hair twice a week, and I used to wash my hair every single day. So the whole point of me even saying this right now is I haven't washed my hair in like a week. It was like ready for a wash, and my hair feels so clean. I also use new products that is for a sponsored reel, and they are amazing. You know when you go to the salon and you get like that wash and rinse? That's how my hair feels like right now, so I'm so excited to blow out my hair with their products. I'm doing my makeup, and I do have a few new products that I want to share with you guys. So this is like the base of my everyday makeup. So let's start off with the Rare Beauty blushes. Sephora right now is having a little winter set. I think for like Christmas and possibly Black Friday, I believe. It's 3 blushes, 1 full size, I think it's a full size, and 2 minis for $30. And I've been wanting to try Rare Beauty blushes. I'm obsessed with Rare Beauty, and I was like, okay, this is my time. So this is Encourage, then this is the viral one on TikTok in the shade Happy, and then this like plum purple one is in the shade Truth. You guys, these are amazing. I tried this one out yesterday. You really do only need a dot. But since I already tried this one yesterday, I'm gonna try the big one today. I'm looking over here because my mirror's here, but I'll do like a dot. See how it looks. It just blended out so smoothly, and it's obviously buildable. So let's go in with like all 3 of them. Mine as well. So this one is Truth. This is for sure more of like that plum color. I'm obsessed. These are just so good. Oh my gosh. I'm also wearing the Rare Beauty foundation in 36W or 360W. This foundation is Chef's Kiss. I mix it with a little bit of this one from It Cosmetics. It's a little too dark for me at the moment, but so good, so hydrating. My skin looks like skin. And the biggest compliment I get when I wear this makeup look to work is how my makeup looks fresh, natural, and by the end of my shift, my makeup is as if I just did it. So obviously primer and setting spray, that's all a part of it, but like when you have a good base, nothing can go wrong. Here is the makeup. Since we are done with the face, I am going to set with the Morphe setting mist. The next makeup item I'm sharing with you guys is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High. I have the original one, and I do love that one, but I've been seeing this and I really wanted to give it a shot. I am an OG L'Oreal telescopic girl since middle school, so I will never not use that one. I'm gonna go put this mascara on, and then I'm gonna do my L'Oreal one on top of it to make them black, if that makes sense. So I'll be right back. Okay, you are zoomed in so you can see the mascara at its best. I did 1 coat on each eye. I do have to say I really like it. It's just I need to get one in black. I think it's amazing, and I haven't applied the, I'm looking for it, this one on top of it just because I wanted you guys to see. So I'll zoom you in a little bit more. This is what it looks like. So it added a really nice length and curl. I did curl my lashes, but as you can see, they're all lifted up. And then the next product that I got new was this lip liner from Rare Beauty. I am obsessed. This was $15, which I feel like is pretty affordable for a lip liner at Sephora. But this is what the lips look like. Here's the makeup look. Now let's go and make some lunch. I'm starting off by putting my lettuce at the bottom. You need a good lettuce. Whatever lettuce is your favorite, you know, just throw it in at the bottom. Have a nice little layer. Next, I'm adding some cucumbers that I just chopped up. I'm adding my protein. It's just the chicken that I made and seasoned, and I just shred it up with my hands to make it smaller pieces. So I'm gonna add like a handful of the sliced thin almonds, a little bit of shredded carrot, these little shredded crispy. I've never tried this dressing before, but I was looking for something like this, so we'll see. It smells amazing. Tell me that this doesn't look absolutely amazing. I'm wrapping up all of my content for the day. I got pretty much everything that needed to get done. I just now need to edit and post. So that is gonna take another like 1 hour. They're very short reels and TikTok, so honestly the only thing that takes long is going through the clips and adjusting them and kind of like dissecting the video of like the good parts and then putting it together, then posting. Okay guys, we're going to do a little unboxing for Trumi. I'm so excited to open up this package. I actually have been waiting for like 2 weeks for it to arrive, and I'm so excited because personally for me, I cannot swallow a capsule, a vitamin, a large pill, even like an antibiotic is really hard for me. I don't know what it is. I will never grow up, I guess, because I still be buying the vitamin gummies forever. And when Trumi reached out to me asking if they could send me some products and share them with you guys, I saw that they were gummies and I got so excited because I was like, yes, absolutely. I love taking gummy vitamins or supplements, and I want to share them with you guys. So this is Trumi. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Love the packaging. It's so cute. Is that you guys? Hello? Okay guys, I put it on my bed so you guys can see better, but Trumi is a lifestyle wellness brand that offers a wide selection of functional mushroom gummies. So let me show you which ones I picked out. Trumi offers a Focus, Boost, Calm, Sleep, and Daily Mushroom Gummy. For Focus, this is the Lion's Mane gummy. It is all naturally flavored. It comes with 60 gummies. The suggested use for full effectiveness is take 1 to 2 gummies up to 3 times daily, which is great. Definitely, I would take these before I go to work or if I know I have a busy day ahead of me, so I love that. The next one I chose was the Calm Gummy. It's supposed to help reduce stress and just relax you. And lastly, I got the Sleep Gummy. They also gave me like these 2 little samples, and then this one seems to be lemon lime flavor, and this one is a strawberry mango, which sounds absolutely delicious. A big thank you to Trumi for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check out the link in my description for you to check out Trumi for yourself. As you can see, I am pretty much set with all of the necessities that I'm going to need. I can't wait to incorporate these into my everyday lifestyle, and I already know these gummies are going to way past fulfill all of my needs, so I am so excited. Thank you so much to Trumi once again. Hi vlog, it is almost 5 p.m. and I'm going to start this night routine with Subway. I haven't made dinner yet. Today is normally when like my meal prep servings will end or either begin. So for this week, my meal prep servings have ended today, which was my lunch. So now that means we do the grocery shopping today, or we have to go grocery shopping. But I literally am so hungry and I can't wait to eat after grocery shopping. And I also don't want to be a manic person grocery shopping and end up leaving with $300 worth of food that I won't even eat. So we're going to Subway. Hate on me, hate on me. I know. Subway, I like it. I love Subway. I don't know what it is, but there's something about a chicken bacon ranch that will just always taste so good. May I please have a chicken bacon ranch with no cheese, please? Ladies and gentlemen, we have secured the bag, okay? We're going to do a little Subway mukbang. This is my sandwich. It's already unraveling, so we gotta get right into it. I get a 6-inch chicken bacon ranch, no cheese, wheat bread, and I get the strip chicken because I do not fuck with that rotisserie chicken shit. I don't know who decided to do that for the CBRs. I don't like that. And of course, a Diet Coke. This is my sandwich. Oh, take a bite. A little update. So with my channel, I feel like I could only make videos if it was like a routine or like a vlog from like something important or special. I felt like there always had to be a purpose behind it. And with, you know, my lifestyle, I really don't have much free time because I work so much. So the times that I do have off of Chick-fil-A, I could be vlogging, you know, and it's not like a routine every day. So I really want to start incorporating more just like vlogs, like chill, not planned. I don't sit and plan out every single beginning, intro, ending part of it, and just randomly, not daily vlog, but like a day in my life, and it would be a vlog. So let me know if you want to see that. Give this video a thumbs up, because I feel like I always make videos that are morning routine, get ready with me for like something special, or you know, and like I love watching weekend in my life, so weeks in my life, where it's just straight up vlogging your daily life. I love those vlogs, so I feel like if I can start incorporating that, I will be happy and I'll be able to not feel so stressed on needing, crap, I already filmed a morning routine, like what routine can I do next? So I'm really trying to incorporate that for my channel. The next thing I want to share with you guys is I'm going to my first ever invited event. I am so excited because I get to bring Spencer and he gets to be my +1. Because Spencer and I are long distance, there's a lot of things that he misses out on in my life, and he's not there physically. So with that being said, I got invited to Sip, Shop, and Eat, which is in San Francisco. Amazing event. They have a bunch of local businesses and different vendors, and it's just gonna be like overall a great time. A bunch of influencers are going from the Bay Area, and I'm so excited and honored that I was invited. And even though I don't live in San Francisco, I think all of the posting over there really has helped me, because that's why I'm even able to go, is because of all the content, and every time I go I post with that. But they reached out to me and invited me, so best believe I'm making this a business trip. I'm flying up there for literally one day. I'm just going for the event, and Spencer gets to be my +1, so he's gonna finally see me in action with like my whole content creating environment, and I get to have him there. And I feel so happy and I'm so excited. I recently got a gym membership, so I've been going to the gym every single day this week, because I don't know what it is, the feeling of going at like 6, 7, like in the evening time is just so therapeutic for me. I'm going to be really honest with you guys. The last thing I want to do right now is take off my makeup. I had such a long day and I'm just so ready to go to sleep, so I took my little gummies to go to sleep, and then now I just was like laying on my phone and scrolling through TikTok, and it's like already 9 o'clock and I'm like, oh my god, I want to see how fast I can do this. So we're gonna do our night routine. I'm gonna start off by taking a makeup wipe and getting rid of the base. Let's go. When my sister and I were younger, we used to have these games where we would pretend we're in a competition, and we would shower and see who can shower the fastest. and it was like a game we would like always play. So I'm gonna pretend that I'm playing that game right now, but like how fast can I do my night routine? I'm now gonna brush my teeth. We get serious. I use coconut oil to remove my makeup. I don't know if that's like the best thing. I don't know if it probably clogs your pores, but it's a great makeup remover. So I'm gonna take my face wash. Normally I use like a spin brush, but I just can't see myself doing that at the moment. Taking my CeraVe moisturizer, and now I'm going in with Aquaphor because it's winter, or not yet, but you know, it's that season when like everyone gets dry and crackly. Laneige lip mask. Okay guys, here is my night routine. I did things under 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes and 4 seconds. This is how I prep myself to go to sleep. So I hope you guys have an amazing night, and let's go get some rest.